For the bell, U.S. indices closed mixed on Thursday after comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell and President Donald Trump. Shares in the diversified financials, insurance, and bank sectors were under pressure, while shares in the real estate, utilities, and media closed higher. Now, Jerome Powell testified on Capitol Hill that the economy is strong and that interest rate hikes would continue. By late afternoon, though, President Donald Trump scared the markets when he criticized the Fed by saying, quote, he isn't thrilled about more interest rate hikes. That sent stocks down and gold higher. Now, in economic data, initial jobless claims decreased to 207,000 in the week ending July 14th, and continuing claims increased to 1.75 million from an expected 1.73 million in the week ending July 7th. Also, the Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index hit a multi-year high to 58.8 in the week ending July 15th. In advancers and decliners, 50% of SP 500 constituents traded lower yesterday. Now, in after hours, Microsoft announced an earnings beat. Fourth quarter adjusted EPS came in at $1.13 from an estimated $1.08 on revenue of $30.1 billion from an estimated $29.2 billion. Now, cloud revenue increased by 23% year over year to $9.61 billion. Capital One Financial announced second quarter adjusted EPS of $3.22, also beating estimates of $2.63 on revenue of $7.19 billion. The company announced its credit card delinquency rate increased to 3.05% from 2.99% the prior year. Now, heading over to Asian markets, they were mostly up today, save for the Nikkei, which was down 0.3%. The Hang Seng was up 0.75%, China CSI 300 up 1.88%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.3%. Now, European indices are losing ground, and U.S. futures call for a negative start. Now, in terms of expectations, we have General Electric expected to announce second quarter EPS at 18 cents on sales of $29.4 billion. Honeywell announces second quarter EPS expected at $2.01 on sales of approximately $10.8 billion. Schlumberger's second quarter EPS is expected to come in at 43 cents, and Baker Hughes, a GE company, second quarter EPS is expected at 14 cents. Now, in economic data, we just have the Baker Hughes rig count, and in equities, the SP 500 sees key resistance at 2810 and is in focus. Even though a continuation of the technical rebound can't be ruled out, the extent should be limited. So you should short it. Look for short positions below 2810 with targets at 2793.50 and 2789.50 in extension. Now, the Nasdaq calls for caution as the relative strength index is mixed, and the Dow Jones sees its key resistance at 2580.